So, and what was the last session?
We discussed about the alert.
Alert example. Okay.
And we have pending things from this keyword and so for this keyword.
Yes. Yeah. So have you practiced this one? Have you done any exercises about the alerts? Yeah. If not, do that. Okay. And so we'll start today like this keyword. Okay. So it's important keyword.
Can you share these class files today?
Definitely, I'll do it.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah, continue.
This keyword in Java plays the most important role. Okay. And this can be used for to refer a current class instance variable. Okay. And this can be used to invoke a current class constructor. And this can be used to invoke current class member. Okay. And this can pass as an argument to the method call. Okay. And this can be argument to the constructor call. This can be for returns a current class instance. So let's by one. And okay, one class. This keyword example. And I declare int primary name. These are the class instance variables. This is variable and this is also instance variables. And I am creating one constructor on this keyword example constructor. In constructor, I make like a Thara ID common name. And if I like, we need to define the type. It is an int type. It should be a string type. Okay. And if I make ID equal to, if I make a name equal to name. Okay. And here, one more method I am declaring here. This is a constructor, the class name and the method name. It does not have the constructor void. So I am making one more public void. There is the method. Okay. I am writing system.out.println. I want to print that value ID. Name. Okay. So, what the meaning of this is? What I'm doing. Okay. So here, display method is printing ID and name of instance variables. Okay. And I've done that a constructor which has a ID and name. So same like instance variable or any constructor variables are same. Okay. So they will face some difficulties. Let's see that what is the problem we'll actually here. And creating constructor and TKE equal to and for my constructor has a the ID is 100 and it is the integer, so 100 and is Selenium user. Use Selenium user. So I want to display, I want to call the method as a display. If I run this one, we got a 0 and null. What I was treating is finding the values of name by using this constructor, and I am assigning as an instance variable. Here, the constructor, suppose this ID is treated as a constructor local variable. So if I make here, if I make constructor, and this is for constructor print, okay, constructor block, okay, constructor block, and so ID value will be printed now. So these are the local variable, constructor block, and ID is 100, name is a Selenium. These are coming, values are initializing. This value is a local to this constructor. This is local to the constructor. But we assign the values to this int variable. That time we should use this keyword. So if I make sure here on this dot ID, this dot ID is equal to this instance variable. That means this constructor value is assigned to a instance variable of ID. Same thing, dot name. Then see that output display method will get right now the same result. Earlier it was in the display method. In the display method result is 0, default value. What is the integer default value is 0. What is the default value of string? None. That value came. Now we have differentiated. It is not a local variable to the constructor, so it is assigned to that instance variable by using this keyword. This keyword will resolve the problem. So if this one, we can get that value is 100 and Selenium is as an instance variable. Okay. So this is the thing where the instance variable and local variables are named here. Now we must be used defining local variable to instance variable. If anything, we must declare as this. This is a differentiation. Okay, that one, the first one. This we use to refer a current class instance variable. Okay, this we use to refer a current class instance variable. Okay. Suppose I'm saying this can be used to invoke a constructor, current constructor. So this can be used to current class constructor. Let's see how it is. So now I'm creating a one more constructor. Without parameter. I would like give a statement only. It is a no argument constructor or dot constructor. Yeah, argument constructor. See, if I define this one, only the parameterized constructor will call. Okay, only the parameterized constructor will call because we have initialized the object of parameterized constructor. But I want to call a parameterized constructor also. So how we can do that? Based on that, the keyword can be. So we have to call the constructor as like this of. So this of. So if I make here I'm getting the comparison. So what exactly the error is? We call within the constructor or within the method of current class constructor during the first line. It should be the first line. The rule number in the first line. Okay. It is in the middle or in the second line. It should be in the first line. So now see if I run here. The first is no object constructor is got called. then that argument constructor is called, and then the display method is executed. Okay. Now, and there is one more constructor. This is a constructor of single parameter. So the parameter is like int, and one parameter argument constructor. We call this constructor. So for that I would like to create a value 10. Okay, I am creating so this dot int value. This value I am passing, then this particular constructor will be passed. Constructor is called, then argument constructor, then display. So similarly, after calling like mention should be first it should execute the no argument constructor, then one argument constructor, then the value. So we have to call here at this. Okay, so I run this one. If I run, there will be no argument constructor, one argument constructor, then actual constructor. This. So and here we are calling like this can be invoked the current class constructor. And you see that you may observe, or I don't know, method overloading. Okay, so method overloading, like what is the rule? Number of parameters, type of parameters are different. We call as a method overloading. Here, the constructor overloading is done. Constructor name and number of arguments are different. Here also different. Here argument, one argument, two argument. You call as a this topic. You can call as a like this. You can call as a constructor overloading. Constructor overriding. Please remember. Only constructor overloading in Java. Okay, so this is nothing but a constructor loading, constructor overloading. So here you are applying constructor overloading. So you know that when we go for constructor, so before our method, you want to initialize or you want to any precondition polluted, the piece will be kept in that. Okay. So this is a very important topic. We'll use in a framework. Okay. Yes. Second thing is this can be used to current class method. This to current class method. And one more class. This example. Now see that methods like system.println, system.println, there is a print statement, and there is one more method. So I will create an object of this class. This equal to references this E2 equal to and T2 dot. Okay, and I'll make sure that this that is. Okay. So current class method. This is the current class method. So here, after I reference, I'm calling only n method. That method is project call. Inside that, I'm calling internally as a method. So first we'll use this. Okay. So let's see that, and I will tell you that one more point here. So run as it will execute n method and n method. Now the cursor will come. Some point will execute this one. This will be printed, and then it will be executed. And if I will not keep this keyword also, it will execute. Okay, same output, but if you are not keeping means compiler it will give automatically internally. Okay, compiler it will give internally. What will happen is a current class construct, current class reference. This keyword will call a current class any of the method. That is what this. Clear here? Can you choose characters you want? Because this can be referred to current class instance variable, and this method can be used to invoking a current class constructor. It will be used to current class method to call.
Actually, what is the difference it is making?
Like telling that current class and method, like that only. So if you are extending another class, there will be a differentiating.
Okay.
Okay.
Method overloading is done. That time it will be used like. Correct?
Not method overloading. Method overloading like that. So it can be like you are talking like you are taking base class subclass that time only.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And there will be a yeah. So we'll this one, and this can be used to return a current class instance. Current instance. Okay. So example, if you anybody understand that, and this example here. Okay. Yeah. It is a little bit trick. A1 and make A1. Not A1 class, like I will make a 1. Then is a big class. And said that I will create a class A1. Said that I will write a of get A, and there will be a return this. This is very tricky. Let it that how much it can be. It is like a wide message. This is one of the method here. And the method I'll write a system.out.println. System.out.println. And method. See, up to three things are very important. Up to here is okay. The advanced one. So we'll use a range, but very, very important sometimes. Okay. Yes. And what is the next thing? Yeah. There is system.out.println. So here, then we'll create an object. We'll create object of A1 equal to small A1 equal to new A1 of so A1 dot message. So usually we'll call. Okay. So it is a class A, and we created a A1 object, and A is a reference, and we are calling the message A1 class or method. So give that message of method, message method. Okay. So in this way, so we can use this keyword, and to that we'll use like Krishna like new A1, new one, and what is the method. So this method, get method, returning a current class instance. Current instance. So he get of dot message. Message. Yes. Statements are same, but here we are using this reference. So I think you are very confused here. One. Yes. This is everybody know that. What is one? And you know one, you will clear about this.
Type.
What return type? What are return type is? Object. Class type. Class object. You got it. Yes. So this is a method, and return type is a class. So what we need is class A1 class, and in fact we are returning this class object, nothing but. So for that reason we are creating a object of A1 and get A. So that A will get the current class instance. This is the one. And complete the object of this current A1 class and current method. So both these statements, so shortcut way. This is a very shortcut way. Okay? If you do this one internally, it will happen like that only. But this is the explanation about a attribute. So this is a type of class. The type is a class type, class reference type. Of method. What we are returning? This is the current class object reference. So we have class object reference dot and method. What a method? Message. So again, we show this one. We will print this. One more thing, last one, this one I think, this can be passed as a argument of a constructor. Is that tricky? See that? Understand? One more class, test 2. Will be our classes like I'll make a B1. B1. Yeah. Okay, B1. Just be with me. Class object reference. So here is a and OBJ. And B constructor. B constructor, we should pass a A reference. What is A here? Is A is a test 2. A is a 2 and it is a OBJ. So the B constructor. B1 constructor, B constructor. It is B constructor. Yeah. This is a this dot okay this star is equal to obj. Next is like normal method void display, and after that I will make a system.println and OBJ dot a. Inside the A class is the test class here. Okay, the test class I'll declare A value 10, D equal to 10. Inside that I will create a constructor, test constructor, and inside that I will initialize like B class object, B1 class object, B new B1 of this. This is the thing important. And B dot B1 dot I will explain again column B means what is wrong? Now I will create a test class object. Simple. Test T equal to new test. Okay. So see that what exact execution goes, I will show you, and we'll see that. The first thing is statement will be executed. So what exactly meaning of this statement is creating a current class constructor. So that means this code will be executed. What doing internally in the constructor invocation, we are calling to, we are initializing B class constructor. What is the B class constructor? This is a B class constructor. And passing the parameter as a current class object. This is a current class object. We are making the object to here also, and we are calling the D1 method. See the thing, this statement, and is what is the statement? We use argument in the constructor call. Okay, one class constructor calling to another class. That time we are passing this as a parameter. So here we are passing this is the parameter. This is a parameter. Current class get reference is passing to another constructor as a parameter. This is important and a tricky one. So if you are talking like a page object model, there will be a framework with page object model. That time we will use it. Remember, it's not required. Page object, complex things, complex frameworks we will use it. Okay? This is about like complete picture of like this keyword. So, but basically you need to remember the first 3 points are very important. Current instance differentiation, local variable and instance variable differentiation, and constructor overloading, and the current class method. Very important. The second one is very important. So if you have the class, okay. The second one is like mostly a base class. In our framework level, what we will do is we'll create a base class. Okay, base class. We'll define a lot of constructor. So define a lot of constructor depends upon our initialization. Constructor with argument, constructor with without argument, and like browser. And so similarly we have like browser with some other parameter, parallel, okay, parallel execution. So like that. So every constructor there will be that project, the base class can be inherited. So you want to call the which constructor. So you want a you need to call test these two constructors. So basically we'll call the user internally we'll call this constructor by use of this parameter. Again, this is very important. Constructor overloading is very important for designing a framework. Even the recap in that telling while designing them. So also need to be remembered here. Okay? Yeah. Constructor and this keyword. Let's see the theoretical part on this keyword in Java. Yeah, this can be easy to refer. Class instance variable, and here you can see that this is a reference. It can be state and behavior. State is the instance variable, behavior is the method. That's it. And this is the example here we have given. You see that instance variables like this. These are the two are the instance variable and the instance variable. There will be the student class and there will be a student constructor. Okay, and this parameter constructor will get invoked. That time they know this here. So that the display method will run how this becomes null. All values. The default values are this. Okay. So see statement what has written. And it's also a very good example. This keyword used to record current class instance variable, and there is an ambiguity between the instance variable and parameters. So here, what is the ambiguity? Ambiguity is this one. So this constructor parameter names and the instance variable names are same. The constructor, so compiler will confuse because all the names are same. So the ambiguity between the instance variable and parameters. So this is a problem. That even though we are assigning the instance variable, the values are not getting assigned because of the ambiguity. It is a local variable and it is the instance variable. There is no differentiation. Thinking that we are doing correct, but compiler is getting confused. So that is one. Then will be provide this keyword. Now you can see this example. Same thing. He added this keyword. Now you can see that output are here. The output will be exact output how the constructor has been called. So the constructor is table 1 and data. The field. Okay. So the output is same properly. So the S1 method and S2. S1 object of display, S2 object of display. Okay. So see the resolution he has given. What is that? Yeah. And in this above example, parameter are formal argument and instance variable are same. We are using this keyword to distinguish between local variable and instance variable. Local variable and instance variable. Local variable differentiating. We are differentiating the local variable and by using keyword. So this is not a formal argument and instance variables are different and we should put that like using this keyword. Yes. Okay. Required here. So what is required? Yeah. So not same. If formal argument and instance variables are not same, then and to use this keyword. When both are same, there will be ambiguity to compiler. It will not treat it as a local variable or instance variable. It cannot differentiate. So here, this example does not require this keyword because my instance variable name is roll number, name, fields, and constructor formal arguments are and none. Roll number equal to R, roll name equal to N, and C equal to C. So equal to F. Okay, you don't need to differentiate this keyword. Whenever formal argument, instance variable name both are same, that we should use this keyword. And second thing is the second example. This is to invoke the current class method. First method. So see that. I explained that, but even though I am recapping because this is a very important trick. Okay. See that you may invoke the method of current class by using this keyword. Not using this keyword. If you are not using explicitly this keyword, even though compiler automatically add this keyword while invoking a method. So this is the left hand side. See this observation. This thing, class A and method M and method N, and inside the method N, we call method M, and here object of A class and call N method. So here there is a no this keyword. The program has not given this keyword program, and after compiler internally it will give the this keyword. You cannot give if it is a more implicity. If not, even though compiler it automatically provides. Okay, this is like this keyword in the current class method. Okay. Yeah. It's basically the same thing. We have covered this one also. And the third point is invoke. This keyword can invoke current class constructor. So this is what we have done. You see that from them. This constructor call can be invoke the current class constructor, and it is used reuse the constructor. So it is used to reuse the constructor, and is also called as the constructor. It is used for construct Chinese. Change the constructor overload. Class, and this is the constructor of the class. Okay. This is one more constructor, parameter constructor. It is a parameter constructor, and we are calling initializing parameters. And I want to call the now without parameter constructor means we should keep this. This is one current class constructor call. Okay. Yeah. One more way. Initialization constructor from the default constructor. Also we have done. Let's see one more time. Class A and the constructor, no argument. This is the parameter constructor calling. This one. This of is like calling of A of int. And initialize a constructor. This one. So when the constructor will come here, and it calls the first parameter constructor. It becomes here. Then it will execute the X. After that, the hello will print. Five will be then hello will print. Okay. So real usage. So how here? Even of this constructor comes. So the constructor call should be used. We use constructor from the constructor. We maintain a chain between the constructor and it is used to construct chain. Let's see the example and below the display and actual of keyboards. So it contains all the elements. See that there is a student class. These are instance variables and variables. Normal arguments are same. Then we should use this here. Okay, and this constructor, student is one of the constructor. Okay, and constructor has real number, name, and course. There is another constructor, student, real number, name, course. Then it is a difference between this extra parental space. And here we are using the constructor. That means we are calling internally this constructor. This is row number, name, course. This is one. Okay, and this got here. And calling all the this method in all the instances. Instead then reference variable like final parameter. This is the constructor notation. Okay. Individually or you can do like a chaining constructor also. A rule as I told you. So the constructor must be the first statement in the constructor. What this one? So what we will give the compiler. See, this is the it is the constructor is called in the second line. Then it will be the error. It should be in the first line. So this is from here. This should be in the second line. So very well, yeah. So just you have to go and practice this thing. It's very good thing. Okay. And this is also one of the important things. These two, like this keyword to pass argument as a method. So we covered here first one argument as a constructor. Argument as a constructor, and now it is a method. This keyword is passing as a method. See that. S2 is my class name. One is M. There is another method C, and created a S2 object. Okay, so object this class object, and passing the object. I'm calling the method this one, and internally I'm calling the M method and this. What is this here? This is the object of this class. So we can pass not only integer, not only argument can be object also. This is where we can say current class object reference we are passing. What is the current class? These two of reference is OBJ. Final one is a constructor one. So repeated, I think. So these are one like we have this thing. Let's see that one more time. Yeah. B class and A4 class. So created these two classes are very different classes, and this is the E4 class object reference. It is just to declare the object reference only. This is a reference, not an object. So here assignment is okay, and the data is 10 and A4, and A4 is the constructor of this A4 class. internally you are calling null class constructor. Class constructor in your internally passing the a particular class reference or argument. Okay. So the last two parts are very tricky, but you have to understand that. Okay. But it maintain a complex frameworks. So that time usually work, but you can go through if not understand this below last two, no problem. Just have a go through about three years of. Okay. Yeah. API. So I will discuss the implicit weight and there will be explicit weight. For that, please I have to go through this API. Just I'm passing the links. It's called this one. So what exactly implicit weight topic is nothing but here the thing is just I'm a simple idea. So there will be a driver. So driver in the sense web driver. Okay, driver and there will be the application. Okay, the two instances will be there. And what web driver will do? We will program. Okay, we will write a program or we will write a text case based on the code has been Java with Selenium something, and we have given an instruction as a programming code to the web driver, and web driver will execute the statements and perform on the application. What are the actions has been written in this program? That action will be performed in the application. So done in the internally, but sometimes web driver application will be slow. Finding a late. So, but design the web driver, they make a default timeout is I think 30 seconds. And let's see that we do the R&D. What is the default wait time of web driver? But this is one of the tasks. Default wait time for each and every statement to wait a driver. Whether element is available or whether the element is existing on the page or not. So web will wait this amount of time. After that, application is rotating or if the element is taking to load the time. There is a day to load the particular element, but we will not take. That means there will be a problem with the web driver application synchronization problem. Fortunately, our test case will be failed. The objective is this common issue will fail. First one, and that regression case, few cases will be failed because of this reason only. If you run failed test cases, and play at 20% test cases can get passed. Do the synchronize. Synchronize our web driver and application. So topic called implicit weight, and is one more class, I think, explicit weight. So resolution for the two things. One is the implicit weight, implicit weight and explicit weight. That's it. Class are very, very important. function. Just bear with me. Driver wait. Web driver. Web driver. Yep. So this is the one. Another class, web driver wait. These web classes are very, very important to handling the synchronous. So, just I am giving hint for tomorrow's session. It is for all elements. So, for specific element. So, let's see that what is why it is for all elements, why it is for specific element. And you had about Ajax controls. Any about Ajax controls? What do you mean by?
Particular part of the page, right?
Yeah. All of the page will load, not page. So whenever the web driver will wait when the whole page is loading, that's it. There is a design internally. Whenever the page is loading, that time only the driver will wait. Only the page, the web driver will not wait. For that situation, you have to use the web driver wait methods. So we have a lot of methods. Others are very, very important. Okay? So see this tomorrow. So I'll wind up here. Okay? Yeah. Any questions?
Can you class it now, please, with the student?
Okay. Yeah, definitely. I'll do it. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you. Everyone,
Thank you.
thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.